Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this Android 8.0 system special for Hyundai Veloster 2011 to 2016. Okay, here is a special head unit. It comes with DVD slot. This volume button and this knob. It's built in the SD card slot and this mini USB front. Okay. Okay. Let me introduce. It comes with a special harness. This is special harness. Come with this connector back of head unit, and this special for your special for the factory plug. It's you can check it supports the factory camera. This camera input. Okay, camera in is factory camera. Camera adapter, it comes with, you can check. And this plug is special for the original. Okay, this special harness. And it comes with radio antenna. It's a factory radio antenna. Okay, this is back USB cable. This GPS antenna. Come with external microphone. External microphone. This is screw. Okay, and this original USB, it supports original USB. Okay, this is front mini USB. Mini USB, you can connect this front USB slot. Okay, and this cable, audio cable, is subwoofer, RCA type, and this audio front and rear, left and right. Okay, this also comes with this cable, USB. Okay, let me introduce the head unit. Okay, let me check the system logo. You can choose the time. You can choose the Hyundai logo. You also can change the Belsee logo. You can check Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You can check Belsee, and you can adjust the color, same color, adjust any color on this front panel. Okay, let me check the version. Settings, system, but motion, you can check PX5 Octa core. Android version is 8.0 Oreo. Okay, this is the back button. Okay, Let me show the internet. Okay, already connect the Wi-Fi. Open the internet browser. It supports Google Voice command. New York. It searches the New York automatically.
New York City comprises 5 boroughs sitting where the Hudson River meets the Atlantic Ocean.
Okay, it searches automatically. Let me try other. Beijing.
Here is some information about Beijing. Beijing, China's massive capital, has history stretching back 3 millennia.
Okay. Let me show the Google navigation. It also supports Google Voice command. New York. It also searches the New York automatically. Okay, you can touch control. This shows the New York map. Google Map. Okay. Let me show the front USB. This front USB already connected by here. And this USB driver. Let me connect the USB. This combo. Okay. It will play music automatically. You need to choose the right path.
It's my time, it's my life. I can do what I like for the price of a smile. I gotta take it to ride so I can live it, 'cause it feels right and it's so nice. And I will do it all again this time. It's forever, it gets better.
Okay. It is supposed to dual screen. Let me show. One press it will show split model. It can support dual screen. You can run in the music and navigation at the same time. Okay. You can take out the screen protector. You can take out this screen protector before using. Let me take out this screen protector because head units do not need the protector. Okay. Okay. Let me show the video. Let me show the Bluetooth at first. Its pin number. You can check this is my Galaxy S8. Okay, let me turn on the Bluetooth, this Bluetooth icon. Turn on the Bluetooth from your Galaxy S8 and search. Okay, it shows you can delete this. Pair the Bluetooth. You will get pin number. You put the 40 401234. Click OK. Okay, you can check this. Change the color and show the Bluetooth icon connected. You can make a phone call. Okay. Okay, you also can stream music from your Bluetooth. A2DP. Volume control from your phone. Okay. Okay. It is supposed to play the video 4K. It's supposed to 4K send some 4K demo video. Okay. Okay. If you have any more questions, you can contact us Belsee. This is our Belsee telephone number and email address. Also can visit our website. Let me visit our website. You can search. Okay, this is our website. If you have any more questions, you can visit to us, contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.